Yes. Welcome to another build. Welcome to another video. My God, it's so laggy, bro. What is... Bro. Yo. The bat has woken up. Alright. Fantastic update. Uh, Alright. Today we just upgrade. Today my animals are more better now. Hey, my animals are so good. Alright. I gotta feed all of my pets. Punti, feed them. Alright, let me ride this course. Let me wide you. Let me have a wide. I feed you. Balen, hinaan mo yan. Alright. Back to game. Bro, stop! Bro, this is why you guys suck. Wow. Sheesh. Boom. I bet this session. Please, spawn a orca. I'm a stalker. Please spawn something.
Sabi niya ito para sa isipin, no? Yung rest ng natin. Ang sabi ni Ador Emilio Rodriguez, ang Pilipino, dapat inisip ang kapwa niya Pilipino. Ang inisip sa konti sa Pilipinas. Hindi sa labi.
And disability is so OP, bro. Yo! It's that guy. This pet's ability is so OP. Alright. Let's go to Secret Katera. I mean, Krektatera. Please, Spino. Please, Spinosaurus. Please. Please, Pete, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. Oh yeah, Tundra.
Sa kanya, sabi sa kanya, bakit tayo sumasali sa international organization? Diba? Kasi parang sila, for example, Interpol. Bakit tayo sumali sa Interpol? Eh, mas malaki yung kriminal, doon nagkakamali. Ano bang ibig sabihin? Ang Pilipino dapat hulihin ka. Ang restorin ka, huwag mo ang Pilipino. Diba? Ganun ba yun? Ano mo, ang justisya ay hindi nakukulong sa loob lamang ng kanyang bansa at sistema ng justisya. Ang justisya ay dapat ipalalawin ng aamon nito. Kung sa ganun, walang
Bruh, Sabana.
hindi katulad ng tingnan niyo yung ginawa ni Duterte. Pumatay na lang maraming tao, pinagmamalaki pa niya. Diba? Hindi pa siya pinagmamalaki niya, hindi siya. Ano nangyari? Dahil pinasukan siya sa ICC. Bukas, yan sa Pilipinas sa bansa. Dahil, sino na yung isyo ng batas? Sa tingin ko lang yung isyo ng Pilipinas sa kanya, pero yung isyo ng
Alright. Desert Loons. Desert Loons. Alright. Please, Suncut. I don't know what Suncut looks like. Bruh. Paray. Yo. This. Oi, bro. Hey. Yes, please. Please stop something. Bruh. Only the one who suck, bruh. Can I have good pet? Can I have good pet? Have speed. Wait, what? Are you serious right now? Where's my guard? Where's my animal? Where's my animal? Okay. Yeah, let me my spun sauce. Alright. Yo! Okay, they wound up getting T-Rex. Alright, they wound up getting T-Rex. Nah, that's too cold, Tundra. We gonna die. Hey, I'ma bite you. Bang, bang. I don't care. Let me bite you. Yeah. Let me bite you all. Bro, this polar bear. I think this is savanna or desert dunes. Yeah, this is desert dunes. Please spawn a snake. I need to tame it. Please speed. I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. Bruh. Please, Panorka. Please. Please, Panorka. I need this. Please, speed. I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. Please. 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 Please, 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 please. Please. Bro, Orca, please. Please.
Paano ba yun ng rice cooker?
Ha?
Kaya ng rice cooker?
Oo.
Hindi naman nasisira pag natin.
Alright. Did it spawn an orca, bro? Please. Please, 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 T-Rex. Please, 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 please. I need T-Rex. Please, I need T-Rex.
Tawag si Kuya Mi.
Doon ka, kuya, tatawag ako doon sa isa kong cellphone. Doon ako tatawag sa cellphone ko. Oo. At naglalaro si Valen. Di akin na lang daw kung pagtawag at umisis masulit. Umisis masulit.
Uy! Yeah, I can tell this is jungle.
Mabigat. Ay, baka isang oras. Bakit? Ano oras pa si ate? Alas 2? Ano oras na ba? Eh, pumarigin na kasi kayo.
Para abot kayo.
Please, pananor ka. Please.
Aalis na. Oo. Sige.
Please.
Kasi ayan.
Please, please.
Ayan.
Please, please, please.
Sa bayan. Sa mismong bayan ng Binyan. Yung mismong sa may simbahan ng Binyan. Doon, sa Linaw. Ewan Linaw pala. Sige. Aray.
Bro.
Ano lang pala si Kuya at si Johnson lang. Dade. Si Kuya at si Johnson lang.
Kasi yung kayo, isasama ko, hindi na makakasya dito.
Hindi, ba ang akala ko sa magkukumute si tatay at si Renz.
Kung pamasahe dun ng dalawang yun, di daan din kaya magiging pamasahe ng dalawang. Alam mo ba, mami?
Please, Creta Terra jungle, bro. Are you serious right now? Alright, please. Bro, why is it always jungle and ocean? Lag as lag. Lag. You're about. Oh my god. United States Wi-Fi sucks. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video. What's up?